Hello and rapid fire hello again for another opening. This time episode 17 is me opening my packs. I think like on reflection Josh pulled some pretty strong cards, so I really do need a boost. And because I've lost so many in a row, to start us off, to try and level things up, we're opening one of these, which is the 2020. Yeah, the 2020 Tin of Lost Memories. So hopefully I won't lose my memory and get something good out of this. So let's give it a crack, see what we get. And then after this I will go through the regular card openings, the pack openings that I had in on the wheel. So wish me luck, in we go. And I will need it. I really will need some luck now because Josh was pulling further and further away with his tri-brigades, which I had no idea were so strong. So we have 3 packs in the mega pack. We'll go for middle for diddle. Here we go. What can we pull? Right, so we have Neo Space Connector, God Dragon Reincarnation, wasn't working out very well in my last build, Madolchi Petting Sewer, Danger Feats of Strength. Well, I've had this before. I would like some danger cards, but not the spells, please. Time Thief Flyback. Oh, nice one. Tenyi Spirit Sithana. I'll put that to one side. Our super rare is the Time Thief Winder, which I already have a copy of. The second super rare is Dances with Beasts. I already have that and don't play it. Now we have Destined Rivals. So this is one of the Dark Magician or Blue Eyes cards. I'm going to have to put that to one side and look at that separately. Gladiator Beast Dementius. I've got dementia the way I'm pronouncing these. Again, I don't think that's useful. And then we have Borrowload Savage Dragon. Now that is a very good card to have. It's actually probably one of the most expensive cards in this set as well. So I have luck has shined on me. Put that over there. And then we have Linkmail Archfiend, Nebula Dragon, have one of those. A Drag Shovel, I think I've got some of those. Oh, we've got a low level Dinoressa at long last, that's good. Marincess Cascade, Gladiator Beast Sagittari, and Gladiator Beast United. So there's quite a lot of Gladiator Beasts, but the highlight was definitely the Borrowload Savage Dragon. That's pretty broken. Put those over there. So this one, lefty, because we drive on the left, so that's why I picked it. In the UK, that is. In the States, it's the other side, isn't it? So World Legacy Cliffhanger, God Dragon Prometheus. Prometheus. Sorry. They make these pronunciations so difficult. So you've got Salaman Great Foxer, Salaman Great Wolfie. Oh, another Tenyi, fantastic. So we've got Adhara, which is a very good one. Neo Space Connector again. Right, we've got Astrogals. This is an absolutely terrible card. Unchained Soul of Disaster. Again, we got this in the last one. Absolutely rubbish. Another Valkyrie Seshist. What can I say? This is not turning out to be a good pack. Sesht. Sorry. Josh speaks German, so he can correct me. Then Witchcrafter Masterpiece. Danger Ogopogo. So we got a danger monster. That's good. That's good. That's what I asked for. We've got a Time Thief Regulator. That's good. Escape of the Unchained, Gladiator Beast Charge, Desert Locusts. We have a Desperate Doom Eagle. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that. It just looks like somebody sort of headbutted the keyboard. Crusher Run, and another Monk of the Tenyi. That's really good. So we've got a danger monster. That's good. That's the main reason to open this pack, is for the danger monsters. A Bigfoot or a Thunderbird would be really, really cool. Right, on to the next one and the last one. This is the loser opening, and not just loser, chronic loser. Here we go. So we've got Hitia the Fire Charmer Ablaze, World Chalice Armageddon, we've got that already. Guard Dragon Cataclysm, Madolce Teacher Glassfoil, Extra Hero Cross Crusader, we've got that already. Apple of Entitlement, and Evil Eye Retribution. We have this card in abundance. Mermail Abyss Alacia, sorry. We've got Successor Soul, which again is another, I'm not sure, I think this is probably used in conjunction with Blue Eyes, so not very useful. Starliege Sivert, I think that's a good card. And a Gizmak Yata. Not the best of secret rares, to be fair. Final Light, Infinitrack Crab Crane, Marincess Wonderheart, Gladiator Beast Aturix, Salamangreat Transcendence, Abominable Chamber of the Unchained, and finally we have our very first Marincess card. Now we can go and see whether we can use those extra deck monsters or not. Phew. Right, so that is the tin, the 2020 Mega Tin. I think we've got some reasonable pulls here. Definitely things to make the deck a bit better, but I don't think this really addresses, nothing crazy to redress the balance. So I'll put that stack over here and we'll go through the good cards at the end, and these ones I'll put over here. I'm sure they're good cards, but not relative to my deck. So the random wheel, I got the following. So the Legendary Duelist Rage of Ra, 1 Dark Saviors, 1 Destiny Soldiers, and 1 Circuit Break. So I think we'll go with Destiny Soldiers. And you can actually see there's a bit of a curvature to the card, so they probably need to be sort of pressed a bit so that they go straight. Let's see what we can get. So we've got Dark Lord Nurse Reficule, Dark Eruption. Well, with my gas, that's probably quite appropriate. Abyss Prop Wild Wagon, Dark Lord Zerato, and Dark Lord Rebellion. So probably not the best of packs. Not sure any of that is of any use. Right, so next up we will do Dark Saviors. I think there's Dark Hole in this set, I'm not sure, we'll find out. A Dark Hole would be good to redress the balance because I don't really have many board wipey type cards. We'll find out. Stay tuned. So, Toon Table of Contents, Vampiric Orcus, Sky Striker Hercules Base. Ah, very good. This does redress the balance a bit. Drowning Mirror Force. This screws me over so many times, so now we can reverse the tables on that one. and Vampire Fräulein. It's a nice card. It probably will be used because it can summon itself when you're attacked, and it's a nice 2000 defender. I think that's a very good card. So we've got 2 extremely good cards in that set, I think, in that pack. I'll put that in the good pile. Next, I think we'll go with the Circuit Break. And I have absolutely no idea what's potentially in this set, because I'm old and I have a bad memory. So we have Mermail Abyssinare, Crawler Spine, Lyrilisk Recital Starling. Oh, this is a great card, and it's banned. So it's Destrude the Lost Dragon's Frizon. I don't know what a Frizon is, but it sounds pretty bad. World Legacy Trap Globe. I'm going to have to read that to see whether that's any good. Amazoness Empress. Muscle Medic. That's what my deck needs. It needs more muscle. Crawler Dendrite. And a Jama Duo. I don't think there's anything particularly amazing in that. We'll see. Then we'll go for Rage of Ra. Can we get any kind of good support? Let's find out. So, the Resolute Mechlord Army. Mechlord Army of Wisel, Amplifier, Mind Control. I think this is now my 3rd copy, so that's really good. Very, very good. I'm going to put that in the good pile. And then we've got Mechlord Astro the Eradicator. So yeah, bit hit and miss, mainly miss. What we're going to do now is I'm going to also, so as Josh mentioned in his last video, there was one very small slice of the wheel that was for a very special box, and he managed to roll it, and so did I. So here we have a dual overload for me too, and this has been like given a little squeeze for luck. So let's see if that's it's been earmarked as being a broken pack, or broken packs. So let's pop her open. Hopefully that's all good. And then we have the big card, and it is Blue Eyes White Dragon. Yes, my boy. Right, he's gonna help us. I'll put him in shot there. Actually, just put him down. There you go. So he's down there. So I don't know what to ask for in this one. I'm just going to leave it to random selection and see what we get. So here we go. So we have a bunch of art. Right, we'll try this one first. So we've got Graveyard of Wandering Souls, Double Evolution Pill, oh good for Dino card, Cybernetic Overflow, Abyss Actor Hyper Direction, and King Dragoon. What a great pack. Next one. Condemned Dark Lord. So there's a good Dark Lord theme going on in this opening. Hallow Giants. Sorry, Hallow Giants. Chaos Goddess. Protector Whelp of the Destruction Swordsman. Super Vilcroid Stealth Union. Right, that's the level what the Link 1 monster anima. Here we go. Oh, that's a great card. So, Fantastical Dragon Phantasme, or yeah, the purple guy. Then we've got number 72, Dreadnought Dreadnoid. I think that's generic. Yeah, it's a generic XYZ. That's good. Another double evolution pill. We've got a cubic Dharma and Enma's Judgment. So we've got 2 more cards to put into the good pile. And still got 3 packs to go. And we've got the next one. So we've got Selene, Queen of the Master Magicians. I think that's a good one. Reptilian Echidna. Magic Formula. So another Dark Magician card. Speedroid Hexasaucer. And Dino-Miscus. This is a very good card. This will be going into the deck for sure. And probably Selene. We'll have a look. 2 packs to go. Let's do it. So we've got Extra Hero Infernal Devicer, Cubic Ascension, Kingyo Suki, What Giraffe, excellent, and Dangerous Fright for Nightmare. Quite a scary looking lady, but a terrible pack. And last one. Can we get a Halka Fireworks? That would be pretty cool. Here we go. Tour Guide from the Underworld. Very good card. We probably should look at playing that somehow. White Mare. Deck Lockdown. Hysteric Sign. And this is probably a sign that I'm going to be in hysterics for how awful the next card is going to be. It is an effect monster. It's, yep, Scrap Orthros. Yeah. But like, yeah, Tour Guide's good, so I shouldn't complain too much. So, let's do a quick recap of the good cards. So we've got Tour Guide, Selene, Queen of the Master Magicians, Dino-Miscus, number 27, Phantasme, Mind Control, Drowning, Vampire Floorline, some Time Thief support, some Tenyi support, L1 Marincess, a Gizmek, Starliege, Ogopogo, and probably the best card of the day, Borreload Savage Dragon. So there you have it. A bit of work will need to go into the deck to try and make it even better, but I think we have redressed some of the shortfall, and we'll find out in the next duel. Thank you very much for watching. Many thanks to Josh for doing his opening in the last video. and hopefully we'll do lots more of these, and hope you guys are really enjoying it. So as always, stay safe, and see you in the next video. Bye now.